Hello, a lot of you asked how I edited my Tulasi reel. So here is a simple step-by-step tutorial. I use Inshot and VN editor apps for editing. So let's get started. So the first step is to shoot the silhouette video. I have already uploaded a detailed tutorial on how to shoot a silhouette video. So if you haven't watched it, please go and watch before watching the editing. I will add the link in the description so you can check it out. So first, shoot your dance reel. I personally shot it in different parts instead of doing everything in one go. This helps you get better perfection in each step and also makes sure that the performance doesn't look rushed. Next, open your video in Inshot app and select the reel frame ratio. Then you can remove the watermark. Then you can go through your clips and pick only the parts where your dance is clean and perfect. Trim out the rest and arrange all the clips according to your song. This is how it should look after arranging the clips. Now you have 4 clips. Choose the first clip, then go to filters. Choose dark filter from Luna filters, then go to adjust. You can increase the brightness. Okay, you can increase it to however you like because it will depend on your lighting. Okay, I'm keeping it till here. Then I go to warmth. So if you increase, it will look like that. See, like this. If you decrease, like this. So here I'm decreasing it. Then I'll go choose the second clip. Again follow the same settings. Choose the dark filter. Then go to adjust. Increase the lightness. Go to warmth. Decrease it a little. Then tint, I'm increasing it. Now choose the third clip. Go to filters. In Luna, choose the dark filter. Go to adjust. Increase your brightness. If you want, you can increase the contrast too. Okay. Then I'll go to warmth. I'll decrease it to the minimum. Okay, to get that blue color. Now fourth clip, the same settings. Choose the same filter. Go to adjust. Increase brightness. Go to warmth. Now I'm increasing it. Okay, for the last clip. So this is how it will look. Then you can export your video in 1080p and 30 fps. Now you should open VN app and choose the video which we downloaded now. Now I'll split the entire video into 4 parts. The entire video I will split like each color, each part, like that. Choose the clip 1, go to adjust, go to temperature, decrease it. Now I'll go to hue and see in hue if you decrease you will get these colors like green, yellow, that colors. If you increase you will get purple colors. So I want a greenish blue color, so I'm decreasing it. Then I'll go to exposure, then decrease it. Contrast I'll increase, brightness decrease. Then I'm again adjusting the temperature. Okay, so all this will depend on your lighting. Okay, you can't get the same effect using the same adjustments. See, the first clip has this color now. Now I'll take the second clip, go to filter, adjust. I'm increasing the exposure, increasing the brightness, increasing the contrast. Now I'll go to hue. See, hue, I'll decrease it a bit to get that pink color. Now go to this HSL and choose pink or purple colors. Then you can increase or decrease the hue, saturation or lightness. All this will depend on your video, okay? Then go to temperature. See, I'm decreasing it a little. These are the adjustment I did to get this pink color. Now the third clip. Go to filter, adjust, go to temperature, decrease it. I want a blue color in this clip, so I'm decreasing it. See, if you will go to hue and decrease it, you will get the greenish tone. So here I'll keep it as such because I want this blue color. Now I'll go to the last clip. Last clip I need that sunset color, so I can edit it in two ways. First one is going to adjust, go to temperature and increase it to the maximum. You will get this yellow color. The other option is go to filter, go to the Polaroid filter, choose speed 2. See, now you got the sunset like color, right? So I'm decreasing the intensity a little bit. I don't want a very yellow color, okay? That's why. So now you have 4 clips in 4 different colors. Now I'll export the video in 1080p and 30 fps. Now you can take this new video into Inshot app, remove the watermark, and I'll add the song. I'm trimming the song to the part I want. After that, I'll split the video into 4 parts, the entire video, and I will arrange each part according to the song, like the starting and ending of each part to however I want in the song. So now to get that fading effect, I'll go to the effects, choose fade, choose the black one. I will add it in the beginning of the video. So this is how it will look. Okay, so now I want the that clip to completely black out after this one. Okay, before the starting of the next clip, I want it to completely black out. So I will again go to fade and choose the black. Choose this one instead of that. So it will fade out to black. Okay. Okay, so now to make it a little more like realistic, like to completely black out, I will add a black blank in between each clips. Okay, so you can keep it to 0.1 or 0.2 seconds, very less. See, so this is how it will look. I'll trim the fade out. Now I want the fade in. Okay, for the next clip, I'll go to fade, black, choose the fade in. Adjust it, so this is how it will look. See, now you got it, right? So I'll repeat these edits for the entire clips now. I'll add blank blacks in between each clips and the fade in and fade outs. So this is how the effects should look. Fade in, fade out in between blanks. Okay. So now you can export the video in 1080p and 30 fps. This is the final result. And that's it. That's how I edited my Tulasi reel. I hope this was easy to follow and it was helpful too. If you try it, don't forget to tag me because I would love to see your versions. Let me know if you want more tutorials like this. So see you in the next one and bye.